guys, welcome back to my channel Beliza. It's all about beauty and grace. I hope you guys are doing good. Well, wish you all a very happy new year. Today it's again a haul video and this is from the brand Bath and Body Works. I'm sure you guys all are aware of the brand Bath and Body Works, and this is a USA brand, and आप लोग को ये भी मालूम होगा कि how much I'm obsessed with this brand because I've been using this brand religiously. At least it's been more than a year I'm using this. But बहुत साल पहले when my mom went to USA, so तब Bath and Body was available only on USA. That was an original one. उसके बाद it's been more, I think 1.5 or 2 years, I guess, if I'm not wrong. It's got launched in India, and you can get it from their website, or else you can also get it from Nykaa. It's available over there as well. No time, let's get started with the video. First I will be talking about shower gel. तो पहले मैं शावर जेल के बारे में बताऊंगी. तो आई हैव फ्यू शावर जेल्स. आई हैव 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shower gels in front of me. So these are the shower gels I have. Okay, so there are 7 different varieties. Perfect peony. We all know peony is an amazing flower. Like, it smells really so good, so fresh, and I really love a smell which is not that overpowering, and at the same time which stays for a long time, which lingers into your body for a long time, and also it like smells very feminine. So I love those kind of smell. So this is exact smell. It smells very feminine. It's very light. It's not at all overpowering, and it does linger into skin for a long time. Limited edition winter collection. So it's the snowy citrus swill. So obviously by the name you can understand it will smell citrusy. It has orange into it. So this is a gel form, and this has orange in it. And every shower gel has vitamin E, shea butter, and aloe vera, which is very hydrating. And this is really nice color. I really love the color, and this smells exactly like citrus. Oh my god. Yeah, this smells like citrus, like fresh oranges. This smells like that. I really love it. Just true to its name, is sahi mein 1 in a million hai. It smells so good, so good, so good. And maximum time ये out of stock रहता है, तो बहुत मुश्किल से मुझे ये मिला है, and I just can't let it go, and I really love it. इसमें बोलना चाहती हूँ, actually for me, I feel like आप जब नहाते हो, the shower time which you have, तो I think that's gonna be your me time. Like, आप सब कुछ भूल जाते हो, आप एकदम रिलैक्स होके आप नहाते हो. जितना भी टाइम आप देते हो, 15 मिनट्स, 20 मिनट्स, कभी कभार कोई भी आधा 40 मिनट भी होता है, तो वो जो आधा घंटा 40 मिनट होता है ना, वो आपका मी टाइम होता है. मतलब आप एकदम सब कुछ भूल के एकदम सुकून के एक शावर लेते हो, विच इज़ कॉल्ड अ लग्जरी शावर. एवरीथिंग इन माई शावर टाइम स्पेशली, विच शुड बी अ फ्रेग्रेंस वन, because that's gonna linger into body for a long time. You feel so fresh, and of course, who don't love to smell good every single hour. Another one is In the Stars. This also looks really cool, and the packaging is really cool. The color is really nice. It's like a golden kind of a shower gel. This also costs $12.99, and this smells really good. I have heard a lot of review of this one as well. Actually this smells really good. Like, maximum of their body washes smells very fruity. This is Sunset Glow, and this is a beautiful packaging. It's give you a very nice, like a rainbow finish, like a sunset finish with a mixture of red or yellow combination. This is really good, and this smells a bit heavy compared to the rest of the shower gel. This actually smells a bit heavy compared to rest. Really feels very at one time you will feel a bit citrusy, and the second time you will feel it's a bit sweet at the same time. So yes, so this is another one, which is Sunset Glow. Rest is raspberry sugar. Obviously by the name you can understand it's have to be smelled very sweet because it got raspberry, and this smells exactly like raspberry, like splashed juice in the box, and this color is also exactly as raspberry, a very nice purplish color. And yeah, this one is another one, raspberry sugar. It smells really sweet. So if you love anything which is sweet, if you are a sweet fragrance lover, you can get anything from their collection. Last is Twinkle Nights. So this is one of the recent collection. Actually everything is a recent collection except 1, 2, and I was eyeing on this product for a long time, and when I got to see it's in stock, I just grabbed it. This smells really good. And स्वीट ऑब्वियसली, बिकॉज बाथ एंड बॉडी का सब प्रोडक्ट ही काफ़ी स्वीट स्मेल करता है, बॉडी वॉश हो या बॉडी मिस्ट हो या स्क्रब भी हो. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द बॉडी मिस्ट. सो आई हैव 4 body mist. I've got 4 body mist, and they really smells good and they last long, but of course not 24 hours, because body mist has the lowest concentrate of the concentration. So it will last at least 6 to 7 hours, like बहुत अच्छे से 6-7 घंटे आराम से रहेगा. And then you have to like again you have to like spritz it on your body so that और भी काफ़ी देर तक चले. So let's talk about the first one. The first one is Love and Sunshine, and Love and Sunshine, it got a beautiful flowers, like it smells very florally, and I really love the packaging. It looks, as obviously the price you're paying, you will get the same bottle. Obviously they are bottle on the bottle on the packaging. Packaging is beautiful. The spritz is also beautiful, if you can see. The spritz is also extremely fine, and yeah, the spritz is also extremely fine. This smells good, man. My god, my room is smelling so fresh right now. This smells really nice, and it smells like, this smells like flowery. It got some few flowers into it. Actually it smells exactly like floral, like a sunflower kind of a smell. It smells exactly like floral. It's got a floral fragrances, which is really good and not at all overpowering. Next I have Forever Red. I have used their body wash and I literally love this, and so I grabbed this one, their body mist, and this is really amazing. And this smells very fruity. This smells very unique, very fruity, but not that fruity कि आपको बहुत वो हिचकिचा होने लगेगी. Not like that. This smells really good and this lasts seriously बहुत अच्छी टाइम पे, because मैंने इसका बॉडी वॉश यूज़ किया है पहले भी. On the third one is Waikiki Beach Coconut, and of course it smells coconut. So if you are a coconut lover, you can get this one. If you don't like coconut, you can simply skip this one. But I really love it. I love it quite much. Papaya Paradise Cove, which smells really fresh, like क्या बोलूँ, smell fresh actually, means smells like watery because it smells really fresh. Okay, this smells very unique. It smells fresh, at the same time it smells a bit fruity because it got extras of papaya, and we know papaya has a fruity smell. At the same time it got some paradise effect, which means it smells like breezy. And this is from Thousand Wish, and this is a foaming sugar scrub. So this is a huge tub. You can see it's huge. It's almost कितना है 226 gram. So it's a huge tub, and I really love it because it's a sparkling celebration. It's from their signature collection. It's butter. The packaging is really super cool. I really love the body, the packaging, and this is how it looks like. You gotta put it to seal, and this is how it looks like. Of course, body butter, so it will exactly like body butter, thick and moisturizing. So yes, let me use a bit for you guys. Okay, the texture is really thick because you know body butter, it has a balm kind of texture, really thick. Oh my god. Oh, what is, oh my god. Okay, so this is basically, it's not body butter, this is a whipped glow cream, which means it will make your skin sparkle. You can see, can you see how it makes my hand? It got some tiny glitter particles. Can you see when I move my hand? This is awesome, bro. I mean, oh my god, can you see my hand? It got some amazing glow effect because of whipped glow, which means gonna give you a sunset kind of a glowy highlighter kind of finish. And this Industar body butter, same in texture. Body butter give you a body balm, and fragrance also same. Last time we'll be using some hand wash because this is the first time I bought hand wash from their brand. So this is their sweet cinnamon pumpkin hand wash, which is, you can say, Halloween collection. It smells like pumpkin, it smells like cinnamon, like it smells very spicy. थोड़ा सा strong होगा, but hand wash है तो obviously it's good. Then I have this one, Marshmallow Flurries, which means it smells sweet because marshmallow is definitely a sweet one, तो ये थोड़ा sweet smell होगा. And I also love hand wash to be a fragrance one. मतलब मेरा सब कुछ ही fragrance वाला चाहिए, normal वाला मुझे नहीं चाहिए. I'm a very fancy kind of person, so I want my collection should be the best. Just kidding. Then I have Winter Candy Apple, which is their limited winter collection. and this smells really good. I've used their sanitizer, I've used their um, body body shower gel, and really smells really good, really amazing, stays for a long time. So this is their body winter collection, winter candy apple. And another one I have, this is bright citrus flowers, which smells very citrusy, sunflower one, and really love it. So I'm very much excited to try the hand wash. Boardwalk vanilla cone, this is a sanitizer. This smells really amazing. I really love it, and I really love how cute this looks, how colorfully this is. And it got some small bits, which is really good. Once you just use it, it just like melts into your skin. And I have two hand cream. One is winter candy apple and another is vanilla bean noel. So these both are there from the winter collection. So I don't know whether it's right now in stock or not, but it was both the winter collection, and this smells amazing, amazing. They makes your hands super small, soft. So that was my Bath and Body Works collection, and I really hope you like it. And also comment on below if you have ever used any product from this brand. तो प्लीज़ कमेंट करके बताना कि आप लोगों को कौन सा पसंद है, या इनमें से आप लोगों को कौन सा लगता है कि यार आई थिंक आई शुड ट्राई दिस वन बिकॉज दिस साउंड सो गुड. And yes, I will see you guys in my next video. Please till then don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Till then do take care, and you know how much I love you guys.